Leo, have you looked at the state of the living room lately? It's absolutely chaotic. We really need to tackle this mess before the guests arrive on Saturday.
I know. I've been so swamped with work that I haven't had a chance to lift a finger, but where should we even start? The clutter is everywhere.
I suggest we follow a systematic approach. First, let's declutter the bookshelves. Anything we haven't read in the last 20 years should be donated or moved to storage.
That sounds reasonable. While you handle the books, I'll take care of the kitchen surfaces and reorganize the pantry. It's becoming quite difficult to find the spices.
Don't forget the floor. Once the surfaces are wiped down, we'll need to vacuum the rugs and mop the hardwood. It'll take a few hours, but it'll be worth it.
Agreed. Let's put on some upbeat music to keep our energy levels up. A clean house always makes me feel more productive and relaxed.
Exactly. Let's get to work then. I'll grab the cleaning supplies from the utility closet.
Master Thorn, the own garden shed is becoming a disaster zone. There are rusted tools and old flower pots scattered everywhere among the ferns.
Patience, Eloan. An organized space reflects an organized mind. We aren't just cleaning, we are restoring order to the magic within these tools.
I understand, but look at this workbench. It's so cluttered that I can barely find the pruning shears or the enchanted soil.
First, we shall categorize. Group all the gardening implements together. Then, we will wipe down the wooden surfaces with this herbal solution to prevent decay.
And what about these empty glass jars? They take up so much space on the shelves.
We shall stack them by size and label them clearly. Organization isn't just about hiding things away, it's about knowing exactly where everything resides.
I see. It's almost like a ritual. I'll start by sweeping the moss away from the entrance.
The Banachnia cherry blossom petals on Honest Path make it look beautiful, but they're making the walkway quite slippery.
You're right. We should tidy up the garden before the evening festival begins. It's important to maintain the aesthetics of the shrine garden.
I'll grab the bamboo broom. Can you help me clear the fallen leaves and petals from the koi pond area? We don't want them clogging up the filter.
Of course. While I'm at it, I'll also rearrange these stone lanterns. They look a bit disorganized after the windstorm last night.
Good idea. A minimalist approach is best here. Let's remove any unnecessary ornaments and focus on the natural beauty of the blossoms.
I agree. Less is more. Once the paths are clear and the lanterns are in place, the garden will look serene and inviting.
Let's work quickly. I want to sit by the pond and enjoy the stillness once we've finished our chores.